Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Konrad ke Sangma ulawer ya ki trairi bat kumjuru ya ki nong jengok kai. Baki day banlet bat kami ya ki jingking jeri ki badan hamau kernat rang teliang. Ha kajingya denti jong Menteri Rangba hadian ba uladep ya kajingelang hawa lengkhat ula penpau da ka baong baki tay ki jaka ki day ki lenti ya jong ki menbarim ki baladan da ki posnem. Lala ban penne bat pensa hado menne menta bat ki deiru ki jaka ki ba itanar bha kumta Menteri Rangba ula kentu bat wer ki pat ba nong jengok kai bat ya ki trairi ba ki dei ban wan ban tip bat shem ya kate ka surok ki men barim ki ba ki jupenon kam kajingkran jong Menteri Rangba kalong ha kajing thmu ban kentiu ya ka spa tanrai bat kariti dustur jong Kajela lingba kajing dan bentalang bat kamariang ha ka ba ki pat ba ki jupenon kam ya ki jing ai kamariang ban thau lenti
Enjoy.
If you go down, you can see the living room.
Okay, thank you. I think we have to bring you as a guide here. आप लोग कहाँ से हैं? मुंबई से आया मेरा दोस्त को सलाम करो. So we are just here at the beginning of the Ranthilyang Mokurnot route bridge trek. And this is the ancient highways, as they call it, and the route that the ancestors and our forefathers used to use. And it is still being kept like this and preserved. It's a beautiful place for tourists to come in. And I would really encourage our people as well as our tourists to come and experience this really traditional highway and traditional routes that our forefathers used to use. Thank you.